Today, I'm gonna show you how to table temper chocolate that will take your dessert to new heights. Table tempering is my favorite method. You can control it, and it's fun. These are your key pieces of equipment you need for table tempering. Offset, scraper, spatula. There are three key elements when we're tempering: time, temperature, and movement. Marble is great to temper on. It cools quickly and it heats quickly. I have my dark chocolate melted between 45 and 50 degrees Celsius. With table tempering, we want to bring this down to 30 degrees Celsius. I want to take 2/3 of this chocolate and we want to agitate this chocolate on the marble board to cool it down quickly. Ideally, you want to bring this chocolate on the marble down to 27 degrees. We are ready to add this back into our bowl of melted chocolate, just like this, and in. And we're sitting at 31 degrees Celsius, so we're in the tempering zone. There's so many different ways that you can decorate with chocolate.